but I'm really enjoying because the response has been great. And with time, we are discovering who Rinki is, what she stands for. The makers are trying to show that it is very important to raise your voice. I think honestly, we are very glad that something like this has happened because no one imagined Panchayat would get like this massive success. I think I feel really proud like if people are seeing this show like across the globe. So definitely, I think with every season, whenever we got the announcement date, for me, it was very like I used to be like very anxious and nervous. Even this time, when the first time the release date was like announced, like it was supposed to release on 2nd of July. Since that day, I've been like very anxious, and like with time, it has been the mix of like a lot of emotions, nervousness, excitement, and like as an actor, you are always curious, ki, how people will respond to the season, how will people will respond to you or to your character. So definitely that thing was there, and I think somewhere right now also, though the season has released, but still like somewhere it's still there. But I'm really enjoying because the response has been great, and Panchayat has a like serious, amazing, loyal fan following, and people are sharing love even in this season. So I'm like really glad about it. I think the makers wanted it to be in such a way, where the character is like slowly progressing. They never wanted to give it like in the first go itself. That's why it has been like conscious efforts has been made to show Rinki like in bits and pieces only. And with time, we are discovering who Rinki is, what she stands for, and how her relations with the family and with her love life and whatever she's dealing in her life, that is being discovered like with like in a very slow process. So even now, I think there we can see like little more what Rinki is in the next season. So it has always been like pre-planned thing that it will happen in season 4, and like with after season 4 things will grow little more. The atmosphere was definitely very nice. It was nothing very different. We practiced just for like once or twice. Even with Vidhayak ki beti, the banter was like we rehearsed like 4 5 times, and like off screen we share a very good bonding. What is shown on screen, it's like very different. So that's why it got very easy to perform over there. And sometimes we are performing and we just laugh. So those are the things. But apart from that, there was like no such thing that we did like too much of rehearsal or we did like too much of jamming. It was like it was clear from both the ends. It was clear by the director like what will be the space. And once we were there, I think it was just like it just happens. It's not like that we rehearse like too much. We obviously we do the lines and all, but it's not that we rehearse like too much and like discuss too much. Linguistics of Panchayat, oh my god, it's difficult for me as well to understand. Um, so what we tried to do is like we tried in our own ways to catch the UP accent, and for me it was more like the simple language, just the basics. It would be like hum and the basics that we usually speak. It was not very much like the kind of lingo that Binod has or Durgesh Dada has. It was like every character has a very different lingo, but the dialect was like somewhat like similar. That was also because like Rinki, as it was shown, like she is like little educated, so that's why her accent was like kept little simple. And apart from that, like if we talk about like lingo, I think that was taken care by the director. Whatever he wanted, people have delivered it in that way. I think I would say it is just a kind of representative, like where the makers are trying to show that it is very important to raise your voice and to demand for things. And like whatever the demands the opposition team had, like for the roads or the electricity, it was not wrong. So it is very important. And if any uh, like authority is there, it is very important that the first priority is that you take care of the citizens, take care of the basic necessities, and that is what the makers have tried to show that in a very subtle and light manner. So it was not a heartbreak, honestly speaking, because when we were doing the narration, it was like all of us sitting together and the writer was doing the narration. So we started with the first episode, and as the episode progresses, for us it was like very hilarious. The way he was narrating the story, for us, everyone was laughing on the table. No, Chandan Kumar, the writer. So his narration is amazing, and he also has like his own sense of humor. So it was like very hilarious when we were listening to the story. And even in the end, though the ending was in that particular manner, but we know like maybe like in season 5 there could be something else we can expect. I don't know, but maybe we can expect. So there was like no heartbreak moment for us. It was like as an actor, we were just trying to listen to the story. I think honestly we are very glad that something like this has happened because no one imagined like Panchayat would get like this massive success. Because it's a very simple show and the kind of shows that were being made, they were like completely different. So it has made a mark in itself, and the way people have shown so much love, uh, like internationally also the audience has loved so much. People of India who stay outside India, they have shown like immense love and they feel like so rooted. So it has become a benchmark, definitely. And I think I feel really proud like if people are seeing this show like across the globe. So it is a proud moment for all of us. So my whole point was at that point, that we have lost the election. They were the opposition team, and when my father has refused that, so it should be like a teamwork. Even like she should not take it, but it was a very different take from the point of view that she comes from. She takes it like very sportingly, and she takes it like in a very positive way, not a positive way, but like I would say a sporting way. So my whole point was like I wanted to support my father, and the whole thing should be like a teamwork. We are like absolutely opposite to that. We are absolutely against that team. So that's why I was like, कि, "Mummy, आप क्यों कर रहे हो? ये क्यों कर रहे हो?" So what she has done, I think it's like absolutely perfect, and it says a lot just by taking that one laddu. Yeah. She comes from like a more like, thoughtful, yeah. She comes from a very thoughtful space, and she takes things like in a like a actual political way, I would say. But I don't think so, though they are competing with each other. But still, like if someone is in like need, even the opposition team will come and help and support. So I think even in villages right now, though there will be opposition, though people will hate each other, but when there are like crises or like when someone needs any help, no matter how much you hate that person, you will always go and help that person. So I think that innocence is not lost. It is just like being masked with the situations that people are having right now, like the political thing. But if innocence we talk about, I think it's still there. No, I don't think so. I have anything else to talk about, but I just want to say to my audience, thank you for all the love that you've been sharing on us, and we'll be very, very great. We are all very grateful for all this love, and yeah, that's it.